Hey, how is it going, everyone? I'm Lucas, I'm from Brazil, and I'm here to share with you guys my journey. But my history with translation, it actually starts way back in around 2018, I guess, the end of 2018. I was still a high school student at the time, and I wanted to work. I wanted to get a job, of course. Why not become a translator? And I found out Translators Cafe. So I created an account there, but it didn't result in anything at all. When it was almost the end of 2019, I decided, I'm going to start a university degree on translation. Why not? I took the exams and I passed it. It was for an online university, but what happened is I didn't like at all. Just couldn't force myself to study something that I'm not enjoying. It wasn't the translation stuff. I didn't even reach that before I quit. I ended up quitting that course because I simply did not like it. The teachers wouldn't pay attention to us. I didn't like it at all. So I quit. And in the next year, I discovered Prose. It was already 2020. So I created an account at Prose. I was going to actually start taking it more seriously. But something happened. I got a job for the next 2 years. I worked as a cook in a Japanese cuisine restaurant, and that was really fun. But I ended up feeling like, no, this is not for me, and there is something that I should already be doing for a long time that I haven't been doing at all, which is translating. Basically, my curriculum is of someone who doesn't has any specialization, any things that I have previous knowledge. I want to work with games, technical translation, literary translation, and I have yet to discover what I really want to work with, but I have some vague idea of what that looks like. And today was the day that I just started sending my CV to translation agencies. So I've just sent 5 emails to 5 agencies. That was tiring, man. It was my first time doing that, and it took me around 1 hour to send all the emails. That's pretty much it. I'll keep you updated, guys. Hope I can help you somehow. I hope you can find my mistakes useful for you, or things that I've succeeded at. You can do them as well, because I believe that this is something I can do. Of course, it will take a lot of work and effort, and it's not going to be easy. I know that. It's not going to be easy at all. But I feel confident that if I take the time, put the time, and work really hard, I can do it. I believe I can. If you find that interesting, please watch me on my journey. I'll end this video here, and thank you very much for watching.